What's up, guys? Come learn Spanish, Tagalog, and Bisaya with us. So, as the first video, I'm gonna pick something simple and I'm just gonna do Bisaya and Spanish. So, come learn Spanish with us. Like, follow, comment. So, the first word is copy, which means coffee. Now, I'm still learning Bisaya, so I might not say it really good. Copy. But it's spelled K-A-P-E, copy, and it means coffee. Now, in Spanish, you say café, café. And as y'all know, some of y'all know in English it's coffee. So one more time, Spanish, café, Bisaya, copy.